Hey guys, Hunger Games King here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Welly NEX Mini Cooper. I got this from a tourist shop in Great Britain, and I'll see you in the video. Bye. So this is the car. It's a Mini Cooper, and it has the Britain flag on the top. At the front, it looks like an Austin Mini. And on the side, it has these wheels that are made of rubber. They're not that good for racing down a track, so you might not see them in some of my tournaments. We have the back, which looks very good. It looks like they put a lot of effort into the car. You can see inside. And it looks pretty empty in there. Over here we have Welly, and it has the Mini Cooper 1300. So this is a Mini Cooper 1300, and it is found in Great Britain in the tourist shop, and there are a lot. In every tourist shop I've gone to, there has been one of these. So yeah, if you're in Great Britain, you can go get this one. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.